Hey guys, good morning. We didn't have any good trading plan for a while, and I think it is just the good moment to have one. So we will discuss Euro New Zealand pair, and here we will execute the top-down analysis. And here we have very nice combination of the harmonic patterns and the top-down confirmation. So first of all, on the daily right now the pair is in a bearish trend, right? And now we are retesting the current lower low. So here is our current low, right? And now the market retests that. Looking left at structure, we can see that here, just based on that level, we have a very solid key structure. Yes, we have a very important structure support right here, and it may turn out that this structure will be respected one more time. And just analyzing the RSI, we already see a very nice divergence. So here we have our current low, and though we retest this low with even the lower close on the daily, on the RSI we have the higher low. So it is just the perfect example of the RSI divergence, right? So this is our daily analysis, and this makes us look for a lower time frame analysis and check the situation there. So I switch to the 4-hour, and on 4-hour, first thing to consider here is that we have just the perfect example of the harmonic Gartley pattern. Here goes our X to A leg, then the price retraced, yes, then we had this spike up, and now the price completed the D point of the pattern. So we have just the perfect Gartley formation over here, yes, and it's already a very nice sign. And you can see that when the market completed the D point, we started to coil on the current low. We formed the doji candle, 1, 2, 3 doji candles, rejection candle, and now the strong bullish engulfing candle. So many signs that the market right now is exhausted and bullish continuation is coming. Now we may analyze even lower time frame, the 1-hour chart, and check the situation there, what is happening there. So we switch to the 1-hour, and on the 1-hour, what we may see with you, which is have the perfect example of the head and shoulders pattern. Though this pattern here is quite ugly, right here, yes, we have our neckline of the pattern. Yes, let's make it yellow. Here goes the left shoulder of the pattern, head of the pattern, right here it goes, and here is the right shoulder of the pattern. So we already violated this neckline to the upside. We have the confirmed bullish breakout of that. It is a very nice signal for us, and I already placed my buy limit order on the retest of the neckline. So I am planning to buy from here, yes, and I want to catch a bullish continuation at least to previous strong structure. And on 4-hour, here we have our strong resistance shelf. Right here we have our strong 4-hour resistance, so we can aim just a bit lower to not be so greedy and catch a nice movement to that level. So I placed my target on 173.1 level. Yes, so here goes the initial target for this trade, and I placed my stop just below the right shoulder. Yes, I think it is enough. So just for the initial target we have more than 2-to-1 risk to reward, and for that reason I will start break-evening my trade once the market will go higher than this wick over here. Yes, so once the market goes above this wick right here, we will start break-evening our position, or if the market won't retest our neckline and just goes above this wick, then we will cancel the setup once the market goes above this wick over here. So this is just the initial target. We have 2-to-1 risk to reward for that, but if just in case the market can go even higher, then we can aim at the higher structure, and here somewhere around 173.8 we have our next structure. Yes, our next structure shelf right here. It's also quite wide, so not to be so greedy, we once again will place our target a bit lower to 173.8 level. So we have a very nice potential here to make nice profit. Just risking 1%, we can make more than 3% of profit in that setup. Yes, so I believe this is a very accurate setup. It is very interesting to see how it goes. Right now we are closer and closer to the neckline, to retest of the neckline. I'm waiting for my limit, for my trade to become active, right? So I think you got the point of this trade. We have the daily structure, we have the harmonic pattern, we have the confirmation with the doji candles on the 4-hour, and we have the head and shoulders on 1 hour. So like a clock, everything tells us that probably the market is bullish. Oh, and yes, and one more thing that I forgot to mention right here. The market was falling in this wedge pattern over here. The market was falling in this falling wedge pattern, and also we violated this falling wedge to the upside. Yes, so it is just one more clue here to consider. So let's see how Euro New Zealand unfolds, and thank you for watching, guys.